All right, folk, we are parked for the moment. I picked a new location to hang out for the day. Did a little shopping and everything. But before I take off, I'm going to get my meatball grinder, eat my tater chips, and I got some water for the walk. We're going to take a little hike out here. I've been out here quite a few times. It looks like they're fixing it up a bit. They've got a new little playground over here for the kids to play around in. There was an area where they had a nice, it was like big gazebo type thing with a bunch of tables under it and the grills. But it looks like they tore that down, and it looks like they are building more grills. So I'm wondering if they're just fixing the place up, hopefully. I didn't really see anything wrong with the building before, but whatever. Anyways, I guess they're fixing the place up. It's looking nice. We're going to take the hike down the trail. I do not believe I've been on this trail yet, and I heard there's some nice views, some nice ledges and stuff like that. So hopefully we'll go check it out. And I'll also take a walk down by the beach and all that stuff. Let you see the area and everything. So anyways, be right back, folk. After I eat, we're going to take a hike. Later. All right, folk. Let me get over this. I guess this is the area that everybody is saying is a real nice hike. So let's go check it out. See how this is. I do not remember coming out here, if I ever have. So let's go see how this is. Up this way, and I heard a lot of chirping and everything, and I got this seems to be a young lady pretty mad at me, and I think the little chirps that I was hearing are probably her little hatchlings. So anyways, I heard all this and came this way, so I'm going to leave her alone so she doesn't freak out on me, and get you guys in a little bit. Well, hey, here's Mama Bird again yelling at me. It's funny, I just came over to get some video of the trees over here and everything, and she's kind of swooped down. She's not really dive bombing me, but kind of coming close to my head. So I'm going to cut back through and leave her alone. I do believe it's a woodpecker. I'm not positive though. If y'all can, let me try and zoom in a little more if any of y'all know for sure. I think she's a woodpecker, but she's kind of pissed off. All right, folks. Okay, this is what I like coming out here in the woods when you can find just the right spot where you got the sun shining on you. If he starts up again, got a really cool bird right there. He's talking to you over here. Somebody with a dog just came by, so I think they scurried and hid, but you also had a bunch of chipmunks over here cackling at each other. And this is one of the big reasons I like coming out to places like this. You got to come out to the woods. It's like recharging your batteries and getting away from that urban crap and getting away from all the commotion you're seeing every single day, the same old crap. And then you get away from it and it's on YouTube, it's on the TV, it's on the radio. So sometimes you just got to come out here in the woods, recharge your energy, and get that positiveness again. So anyways, I'm going to continue. Got a little further to go, and then we're done. And I'll get this video going. Later, folk. Walked a good 45 minutes. I did a long 45-minute haul here. So I came out the woods here, out to the road. So now we get to walk down the road and get back to our location. I'll see you when we're there, folk. Oh, holy freaking crap, folk. That turned out to be a heck of a hike. So anyways, I go in over there. Okay, let me see if I can take this out. Base. From where I'm at now, basically right over here in this area is where the entrance is that we went in. I walked all the way down this way, way out into here, and there's a loop, and came around. I went all the way through these woods here, got about to this area, and started heading that way more, and came out. Then you come out on the street and you end up walking all the way down there. Anyways, took me an hour. It was an excellent walk. I needed it. And it was a good time out in the middle of freaking nowhere. And it was funny coming out on the other end and not knowing where the heck I was. It's not like you can get lost here. You just take the road back this way. But anyways, it was funny. And having to come up the road. Having to walk all the way. It was a complete and absolute circle while going a bit that way too as well. And then coming back. So it was a good hour hike. It was awesome. It was worth it. And anyways, I got some pretty cool footage. The funniest part for me is the woodpecker. She was all pissed off at me. I think her kids were right there, you know. Might as well plug in and get some charging while we're doing this. But I think her kids, because I heard like little tiny chirps as I was walking up, and then all of a sudden she showed up and was like, burp, burp. She was going crazy. It was all pissed off at me, so I was like, all right, well, the little chirps were her babies. They were in there somewhere. I don't know where. So I just kept walking a little bit forward, and well, you'll see if you watch the video. But anyway, she dive bombed me a couple times, so I said, let me get the hell out of here and leave her alone. And the chipmunks were cool. They were cackling, yelling, hollering. So anyways, that's how I take my signs on which trails to take. Everybody's like, but there's no signs on the trail. Boondock, what you talking about? My signs are a little bit different. If I heard the chipmunk. I thought it was a squirrel. I'll be honest. I thought it was a squirrel yapping. It ends up being this tiny little chipmunk sitting on a stone wall. I filmed it. I hope you guys could see him. Looking like he's a little badass, staring at me. And then, of course, once I start filming, he clams up. But anyways, it was funny. And then, after him, I heard the chirping, so I went down there, and it ended up being the angry, pissed-off mama woodpecker. And then the rest was just a awesome, fun, beautiful hike. So, anyways, folks, that's going to just about do it. I'm going to let you get going. But don't forget, always forward to the next adventure. The vlog is down.